Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the GAO Studio Slider here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this fella, which comes in this orange hard case. It is padded on the inside. You get your card, which just flew away, and that's just like a regular one, but right over here you get your toy. Right over here, let's check the size right away. Cross is going to be 1.73 inches. The width is going to be 0.9, and the thickness at this height is going to be 0.43. So just a couple of sliders that I want to show you. Just right next to this fella, you get the Chenyu. That's the Battle Shield. This is the Maki CP3, for example. Lauti Shuffle right over here. Let's put it right there. And another couple sliders I want to show you. This is the AC EDC. That's the gamer slider, of course. What else can I show you here? Of course, a bulletproof design. That's the bulletproof shield. Sorry, that's the Wanmu Studio. What else? Of course, this fella, probably my favorite. Right there, Milkia from AC EDC. Gorgeous slider. But anyways, we are here to talk about this GAO Studio right over here, which is a very interesting looking toy. You have this symmetrical face with two steel ball bearings and 4 ceramic balls, Tritz insert right over there, and just flush with the very subtle GAO engraving on the back. So what is this? This is a multi fidget toy, because you can click, you can slide, and also rotates. You can actually spin it. But this is a very peculiar one, because if you open it up, it's gonna reveal the structure. So you have an asymmetrical arrangement for the magnets. You see these 3 are a little bit up. You have a ball bearing system with 5 magnets on this side. So this guy just is free to slide up and down. So it's gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 states, because you get 5 magnets on the back. And at this point, if you just hold it, for example, like this, right? You see? Not like that, but this guy can spin, all right? And also at this end, sorry, like that, if I'm not, grabbing with my fingers, there you go. He's free to spin without the magnets. Kind of like, you see, they get in touch, but because the magnets are arranged into that position, when it's here, it can pretty much spin freely. When it's here, it's gonna have like that jiggle, wiggle, and short spinning time. You can click it like that, or just can slide it, or just have it to rotate in your hand. You can do basically pretty much whatever you want with this fella, which has a nice weight to it. I think this is stainless steel coated with this like PVD, 2.24 ounces, not too bad in the pocket. It's a very cool looking fidget toy. I love when they combine clicking, sliding, and spinning option into one. You're gonna have more fun for sure, and it's gonna appeal more people. So there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.